Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to start assembling the backpack for the Burning Gundam. This was a real challenge to print everything. So if you give me 1 second, I'll show you everything, how I have it set up. Okay, so here is the file that I have. I got the files from Do3D. As you can see here, I have everything that's multicolored. Closer. Everything is multicolored. That I had to separate that into the different pieces. As you can see here, I had to break it up into a lot of different pieces, and each wing I had to break it up into 3 pieces. One I had to break it up into 4 because it just wouldn't fit on my printer bed no matter how much I tried. So now we're going to try to see if I can assemble all this. As you can see, it's not going to be easy, and I'm hoping that I can get this thing assembled and it will hold together. I don't think I'm going to have the wings splayed out like that. I'm just going to have them all down to the side. It'd be a lot easier and less chances of them breaking. So let's get started assembling. So when I put this together, I'm going to be using my soldering iron to weld all the pieces together. I'm not going to use any kind of super glue or CA glue or anything like that because it's not going to have a strong enough bond. So this should hopefully hold it together. I'm probably going to puncture some holes through it, but I could just fill it up again with more scraps of PLA that I have lying around, and then also using Bondo spot putty, or using Bondo itself or the Bondo spot putty. So let's get started. Alright, so going through this, putting these together, and I realized that I printed the same piece twice. You can see here, both with the vents sticking out, they're both facing the same way, so I printed the same thing twice. Now I have to take this apart and reprint this piece, but facing the right way, and I hope I don't mess up everything else. But the only